A sound louder than a power drill can come from a person. For Neville Sharp, it wasn't a shout, it was a burp. For years, his wife coached him, helping him practice this strange talent. He learned to swallow air and hold it, turning his body into a powerful instrument. On the day of the record attempt, he let out a massive, rumbling belch. The official measurement was an incredible 112.4 decibels. That's louder than a trombone, a jackhammer, and even some motorcycles revving their engines. Neville Sharp proved that with enough dedication, anyone can become a world champion in absolutely anything, no matter how silly it seems.